Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A80, and today I will show you how to enable power saving mode on this phone. So the easiest way to do it would be to pull down the notification panel like so from the top, and you'll see the icon right here, power mode. And if you tap on it, by default it will enable the medium power saving mode, as you can see right here, the name. And you can also modify it, so you can, by default it is all enabled. Restrict background data, turn off always on display, and limit CPU speed. So you can, if you for instance don't want to lose the speed of the phone, you can just disable that, and the CPU will be at 100% as it always is. You can also choose the brightness, how much it affected, so 10, 5%, or basically don't change it at all. And whatever you choose, then you can tap on apply. You get a little animation right here changing, and it's done. And the brightness went a little bit down, and if I pull down, as you can see now, it's enabled. And if you want to disable it, just simply tap on it again and it will turn off. Now there's also another way you can do it, also pulling it down, but instead of tapping on it, you can hold it. And from here you also have access to maximum power saving, which will drastically reduce the battery usage, but also do a little bit more than that. So it will turn the background black and basically disable everything that isn't essential. So primarily you will have access to like phone, messages and stuff like that, and everything else should be not very usable. So as you can see, it will look like this, and this will save the most power, and I would say it's for like really last case scenario option. And if you want to leave it, you can just tap on the three dots right there, and then you'll have the option turn off maximum power saving mode. So you can just tap on it and it'll go back here, and again you'll get the animation, and once it's fully loaded it will be back in the normal way it looks. Okay, as you can see, we're back to normal. So that is basically how you would enable, disable, and also customize the power saving mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.